Everything we do is really focused on craftsmanship and quality, local manufacturing, and the inherent sustainability of slow fashions. We're really kind of fusing both the traditional methods such as hand filing, hand polishing, along with totally new technologies, automation, and tons of prototyping. The frame we designed for LEXUS, it's a really bold frame with some really beautiful details that are a little bit hidden and subdued, but when you really look at it up close, it's really beautiful. Glasses are a really intimate object. It's something that you wear on your face every day. We're huge proponents of slow fashion and investing in products that you're going to live with for a very long time. We're really excited to be working with Crafted for LEXUS, which shares that ethos.